In example 1, we're going to go with the distributive property, but this time with our distributive property, we're going to have some different exponents that we're going to use our exponent rules for. So in letter A, we have negative 7w to the fourth times everything in the parentheses. So we're going to take the negative 7w to the fourth and we're going to distribute it or multiply it to everything inside the parentheses, starting with the 5w to the third. So if we multiply these two together, negative 7 times 5 is negative 35. And then if we look at the w's, we have w to the fourth times w to the third. Remember, when we're multiplying with the same base, we're adding the exponents. So this becomes w to the seventh. Then we're going to multiply negative 7w to the fourth times negative 3w to the second. Negative 7 times negative 3 is a positive 21. And then w to the fourth times w to the second will give us w to the sixth. And then we're going to take negative 7w to the fourth and multiply it by 9w. Negative 7 times 9 is negative 63. And w to the fourth times w, remember that's to the first power. Add those exponents, we get w to the fifth. And that's it. Let's take a look at letter B. We'll do one more. In letter B, we have 4, w to the sixth, and x. All of these three things are going to get multiplied to everything inside. So let's start by multiplying it by 6w to the third. So 4 times 6 will give us 24. W to the sixth times w to the third. Again, we're adding those exponents, which would give us w to the ninth. And we still have an x. Notice that that x doesn't have another x to combine it to, so it's just multiplied at the end. Then we take 4w to the sixth times x, and we're going to multiply by the middle term, which is 8w squared x to the fourth. 4 times 8 will give us 32. So we have positive 32. Then we have w to the sixth times w to the second. Adding those exponents will give us w to the eighth. Then an x times an x to the fourth will give us an x to the fifth. And then we can take and multiply by our last term, which is negative 2x to the fourth. 4 times negative 2 will give us negative 8, so we have minus 8. W to the sixth has no other w to combine it with, so that w to the sixth is just there. And then we have an x to the first times an x to the fourth, which will give us an x to the fifth. Next, I would like you to do the try this. So go ahead and pause it, unpause it when you're ready to check your answer. If you did the try this correctly, you should have gotten negative 56 d to the sixth plus 72 d to the fourth minus 8 d to the second. If you have any questions, please let me know.